Hello, my beautiful friends. So today we will be talking about my hair care routine. I promised this video for a little while. I recently dyed my hair, bleached it, all that jazz, done a lot to it, and it's still healthy as ever. So I have found a new product that works really well for my hair, and we are going to jump right into it to get all that information to you as quickly as possible. Let's go. So if you don't know me or see my past videos, I'm very big into dyeing my hair all kinds of colors all the time. I bleach it all the time. I have gone to hay dried hair that sticks up every morning and to beautiful nice hair back again like 3 times. First, we're going to talk about what your hair needs. Your hair either needs keratin or moisture in it. Most of the time mine was a moisture problem. Most hairstylists tell me, oh, use this keratin product, keratin. That's not what I needed. I needed a lot of moisture because the bleach just strips all that away from you, and most of the time I needed my hair healthy after bleaching. I have tried expensive Pureology shampoo and conditioner. I have tried Redken, type shampoo and conditioner. None of those things were working for me. They're more expensive, the worse it got. I was talking to my brother's girlfriend. She had talked to me about a shampoo and conditioner that really worked for her. She said she felt a difference. It was called Nexxus, and I'm going to show you guys what I got. I actually went to Walmart to find these two. They are relatively expensive, I will say. I think Pureology is a bit more expensive, but I think for both of these, I want to say it's around 30 bucks. But this is what I got. This is the Nexxus shampoo and then the Nexxus conditioner. The shampoo is called Therapy Ultimate Moisture. And then the conditioner is called Humectress Ultimate Moisture. So they are kind of named differently, but they both have the blue on them. What I loved about this shampoo and conditioner was, I'm not even joking, I felt a difference after one wash. Like, how insane is that? That sounds so unrealistic and like a lie. I know. For some reason, I felt a difference and it was crazy. I used it for about a week and then my hair became so healthy, and healthy in a way that it hasn't been in such a long time. Like, I used to have my hair long, brown, and beautiful, and I never did anything to it, and it was obviously healthy. And then, like, for the next 4 or 5 years, I just went crazy with it. So to be able to get it back to that type of healthy state was amazing to me and so exciting because, again, I had just colored and dyed my hair and bleached it. Using the shampoo and conditioner for even a week, I had such amazing results. If you guys are having issues with dryness, try this shampoo and conditioner because it is so good. There are 2 other products that I will also be talking about in this video just because I feel like they're important and they help your hair. The first one is going to be a detangler. It's just going to help relax your hair, detangle it, so that when you're brushing it out, it's not sticking to the brush, it's not pulling your hair out. It'll be a lot nicer and smoother. A detangler is definitely what I would recommend too because, again, it's only going to help. The detangler I use is the Aussie one right now, and it's just called Total Miracle Detangling Spray. I would not recommend using a child's detangler. Those don't smell very good for one, and I don't think they work as well. If it does for you, great, use it. This is the one I use for now. The last product we will be talking about is actually a heat protectant. I was not really big into believing in heat protectants. There are people who do, people who take it really seriously. I was not one of them just because I never used it before. I never felt like it did anything, blah, blah, blah. But now I am actually using one, but what I'm doing differently is I'm putting it on while my hair is wet with my detangler so that when I blow dry it and that heat comes on it, it's kind of already being protected in a way. The one I'm using is actually the Tresemme New Look Keratin Smooth Heat Protectant Spray. So as I mentioned earlier, moisture and keratin. I'm using a product with keratin. My hair shampoo has moisture in it. This is the one I used. I just bought it because it was a heat protectant. I didn't put any mind to like a specific one. I just wanted to get one that was, I felt like, good for the price. And that was this one. So far, I've been using all of these products for maybe a month or 2, and it has been going fantastic. I will leave the links below down to the shampoo and conditioner. Sometimes it's hard to find at Walmart and other places, so I will link it on Amazon where you can get both the big bottles. Pretty simple with 2-day shipping. So guys, like I said, my hair is actually really, really healthy. It's flowing in the wind. It's easy to run your fingers through. It's super, super shiny. It's easy to work with. The color's vibrant. It's beautiful. If you guys are having any issues with your hair, I really think these products might work for you. The detangler and the heat protectant do not have to be the exact same I'm using. I think any of them will work fine. And if you already found one that works for your hair, then just use that. But I do think that the shampoo and conditioner are what changed the game for me. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will catch you at my next one. Bye!